Hi everyone, this is Anand. Today we're going to talk about something very interesting, the Go programming language. And this is something that as a JavaScript developer has intrigued me so much because it is a statically typed language that brings the simplicity of a dynamically typed language to the statically typed language world. And that's so interesting. And they're not kidding about the simple, reliable, and efficient part of their tagline because it absolutely is. It really is an amazing language, and that's why I'm going to introduce some of the fundamentals of Go here. And we're going to just start with something very simple. All right, we're going to start with hello world, and then we're going to go into variables. We're going to talk about how functions are defined. We're going to talk about complex data types like arrays, maps. Then we're going to talk about how immutability works in a Go. We're going to talk about how struct, interesting, talk about how struct works, and a lot more. We're going to talk about concurrency and everything that's Go related. But right now, let's just do something very simple because that's how any venture starts. We're going to start with hello world. All right. First of all, we have the playground here. That's something you can access right off here, open in playground from golang.org. I encourage you to try it out here before you install it on your system because hey, it's just so easy. You can try it out without actually installing stuff on your system. So let's just start here. The first thing that you need is obviously the package. All right, we need to define the package, and that is going to be main here because main is where the magic happens. That is where the execution happens. All right. First of all, after defining the package, we need to import the libraries or the packages that we're going to use in this application or program. All right. So first of all, we're going to import a package called FMT. FMT. So what is that? That is something that we're going to use to take input or print output. It's an input-output library. It's a lot more, but right now we're going to just use it for input and output. All right. So this is one way to import it. Another way is to use this syntax, which I love. This is a very interesting syntax. We're gonna put brackets here and just put it like this. So why do we do this? Because we can actually define multiple packages this way. So sorry, Matt. We could define packages like this, errors. These are all valid packages. So right now we're gonna just use FMT. We're gonna just use FMT. And what do we have next? Well, we have a function that is the main function. So to define a function in Go, we have to use the func keyword, F-U-N-C, so the func keyword. And then the name of the function, which is obviously main, and then obviously the brackets, which come with the function, opening the braces, closing the braces. Now we have a walled garden where magic happens. All right, so what are we going to do in the main function? So what was the goal of this function? Well, it's to execute whatever is in it. So we're going to do what we came here to do, that is to print hello world. So FMT, we're going to use that to print something to the console, terminal, whatever. We're going to print line, print ln. Oops, I'm sorry, it's capital P, print ln. Okay, so consider this a function that you're executing, and the argument can be anything. It can be a variable, string, number, whatever. But right now we're gonna print hello world, so it's a string. We're gonna print hello world. All right, so what do we have here? We have a package. We have imported the FMT for IO, and then we have a main function, and in that function we are using the FMT package to print the line hello world. Let's run this here. Let's see, I hope it works. Hello world, hallelujah, it worked. Absolutely amazing. Congratulations to me and you, I guess, if you're trying it out with me, and you better be trying it out with me. All right, I really encourage you to try it out because it's amazing. I really hope you try this. This is the hello world, and we're gonna go into everything in detail. Right now, this is a great starting point. I hope you had fun, and I hope this was helpful. Thank you. Have a great day, and come back to see the next tutorial. That's gonna go deeper. Thank you. Have a nice day, guys. Bye-bye.